if you guys saw a few videos ago, we built a shovel jump. That is gone. It's the end of an era for the shovel jump because we are bringing back the box jump from a few videos ago that you guys saw us split the mini go-kart on. We're bringing that box jump back, and we are going to put box jump over in this area, and Gus is going to come down this hill with a BMX bike and jump from that box jump onto this pile of dirt. So we're gonna go get the box jump, then we're gonna set it up for Gus to hit it. But first he's gonna give it a few practice jumps. Oh,
that was sketchy.
Not bad.
Alright, you wanna go get the box jump?
Yeah.
Alright, I think right there's good. Up the hill we go.
What are your words that you want to say to the people?
Just gotta send it.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is Gus's first time hitting the Gat BMX jump. Alright, Gussie.
No, move.
Oh! You good?
Oh, I hurt my knee.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Yo! That worked so well!
Oh, that was actually fun, bro.
That was so sick. That actually worked so well, dude. You try and hit her again?
Yeah, I'll do it again. I'll do it one more.
Are you good?
Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Whew.
Do you need to lay on the ground for a sec?
No, I'm good. Oh, my butt cheeks.
Just go on the throttle. All right, so Gus just rode my dirt bike and he said he doesn't feel comfortable enough to take it on the box jump. So I'm gonna take it on the box jump with my dirt bike.
Should I send it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
I didn't fall this time, so.
Do it again or no?
Yeah, should I try it again? Psyching myself out. Alright, I'll do it one more.
One more?
One more.
Yeah, that time was perfect. All right, so Gus just shaped the jump more. So it's more of a landing, just instead of a steep little drop off right here. So I'm gonna hit it on my 250 instead of the 80. I feel like that's the better play.
Is it good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Woo! Hit it with more speed. Yeah, hit it faster.
I think I can hit that faster and clear it.
100%. Oh yeah! You full cleared it.
What?
Full cleared it.
Fully?
Yes.
Let's go.
All right.
You going for it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that easy.
If I sent lifting up, I got that.
Oh crap! Are you okay?
No, that didn't even hurt.
It didn't?
No.
Oh
But I
crap!
think I'm gonna take a little break from that.
Oh crap!
I know that looks sick.
You sure?
Yeah.
Did you burn your
front brake?
You hit the front brake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was going pretty slow. Get up, boy.
Yeah. All right. Going for it.
There you go. Let's see if I can like roll over the dirt. Like go over the dirt.
Whoa! Yeah! you good?
Yeah. I'm done.
You are?
Right now.
Okay.
That was my last one.
That is a lot of clearance right there.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Holy cow! Yeah, go a little faster.
Did you see my arm?
No, what happened?
I just yoinked it. Daddy wants us. We should be good. I'm not doing that again. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I meant to do that.
Alright, so I said something last video that Zeke.
Oh, where's the gummy bear?
Right there.
You got water in here?
Hold on. We're not getting right into it, are we?
I mean, we should just start the video off like this. All right, guys, this is the Little Nitro gummy bear.
Zeke is going to eat the world's hottest gummy bear. And I ordered another one, so we'll try to get somebody to eat another one. Comment and let us know who you guys want to see eat it.
I thought I was gonna eat 2 at a time.
2?
I thought I was gonna eat 2.
I'm not gonna let you do 2. That's
Wait, how spicy is this thing?
it's pretty spicy.
So here we go, guys. This is the Little Nitro. How many Scoville?
9 million.
9 million Scoville units down the hatch.
Show it in your mouth. Show it.
Oh my god! Oh, it's down.
you swallowed it? Oh. Don't knock down the monster! What are you doing? Go outside. Is it hot?
Yeah.
I think water actually makes it worse.
God, dude, it's so hot.
Go drink the monster. You gotta swallow it so it goes down.
I need another one.
Where are you going?
Mm.
Drink the monster. It's a lot.
It's gonna make it worse, bro.
No, it won't.
My bad.
Water makes it worse.
Oh god, dude, it's so bad.
Is that
Yo, I'm not
bad?
gonna lie, this is so bad. This is bad.
Yeah, no, dude, get a jug of water.
I've eaten spicy food, but that,
That was top of the mountain.
oh yeah. So glad I didn't do 2.
I told you. For the record, that's like one of the spiciest things you can eat, right under the world's hottest peanut, which you guys saw last video.
It's like it tastes good and super spicy. I'm like shaking, bro. I need another water bottle.
That's all that we have. I'm pretty sure you just took all the waters that we have. Oh, we got popsicles in there.
For real? I'm desperate.
Hold on, be careful, there's a stick in there. Would you recommend it to other people?
No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Unless if you have...
Are you actually shaking right
Yes,
now?
dude. Unless you have a 24 pack of water ready. Freezing. Dude, I don't even care. Y'all can call me gay. Y'all can call me weird. You don't understand right now.
Nothing matters except getting this hot, spicy out of your,
Bro, when we
out of
get
your
this out,
system.
bro, might have to stay from riding for like 10 minutes just because my head. Alright, I think that was the last little bit. Alright, y'all. Well, we're gonna go dirt biking now.
Whoa, he got me on that one. Oh, I just ate crap. Oh. Oh my gosh.
You see this, bro? Slicker than a bald man's forehead, bro. Bro, if you do it without falling, then you're a goat.
Okay, so I'm gonna do it if I get moto boots. I just need moto boots. I think I can get up this, honestly, I can. So back here, I built this little, I guess you can call it a trials course. I just put a bunch of logs right here and it's at a kind of a steep incline, I guess. If it goes well, then we'll take the razors out here. Ooh, look at it from here.
Yeah, like, dude, this is what he's going up.
Ow. Got it caught up. It looks a lot scarier from right here.
Told you.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough speed.
You need to go as far back as you can.
Might have to walk it, boys. No.
So
Bad time to lose power.
there you go.
I got it.
Yo, if you make it up this, I'm counting it.
You're what?
I'm counting it if you make it up.
Let's go, bro. I'm a little muddy now.
Which one is more powerful?
That one, because it's charged.
Oh, this is so sketch. Got the front tire. Woo! She's almost done. All right. How do we think it did? 1 to 10. I think it 1.
Terrible. 0.
I'm gonna say like a 3, just because it had enough power for when I lifted it up, it could climb it a little bit.
Yeah, that's a 0.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, so we got a new idea. Right here, this abandoned lift thing that we had a bunch of tools on. On top of it, there was this thing with wheels, kind of like a dyno thing, I guess you can say. So we got it down and we're gonna wet it and we're gonna take the e-bikes and my 80 on it. Now we just gotta get it down.
Come on, bro.
Well, let's just run it right here. Oh, my big toe just went through my crop.
Can I try?
Yes. Sounds so weird.
I know. Let me try again. Dang it.
You wanna hit the gap jump again? Get your redemption?
Yeah.
You do? Alright, so if you guys saw 2 videos ago, Zeke hit the gap jump on his first time ever riding a dirt bike.
Warm up.
What?
I'm gonna have to do warm up.
Okay. And now he wants his redemption because if you saw, he crashed on the gap jump. Now he wants his redemption because he ended on the crash.
Ah, it's gonna suck. Oh, I'm sinking. Yo.
Yo.
You know what my problem is?
What?
Is when I get down there, my wheel sinks.
I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra.
Oh, you good? Are you okay? Are you okay? Pick the bike up. Are you? You just pulled what your cousin did. Cut to the clip of his cousin a few days ago.
Sean!
Oh, my knee.
Are you okay?
Come on.
Oh. Are you okay?
Oh, just walk it off. You just gotta walk it off.
Yeah.
That's my front wheel? Is that
Yeah.
my back? Is that my front?
I think that's your front. Redemption did not redeem.
Wait.
I got the picture. Here, run out there and just kind of like this. Get in the middle of the field. Hey guys, stay here.
Oh, you gotta get on all fours like you're a sheep. Eat some grass.
Stay a little more.
No,
Stay a little
eat
more.
some grass. Eat some grass. Eat grass. Act like you're eating grass.
Dude, they're
So tough.
yeah, go here. Do it. Yeah, move it. Do it again.
Do it again. No.
Impress the ladies.
Yeah, back. Do it. Hey, do it again. Back up. Do it one more time.
No, I'm done with that. Can we redo the one of me eating the grass?
He wants to go eat some more grass. Aiden, do it like this. Like this. Look.
Hey, lay down like you're doing.
I don't even throw up that often. What is going on here?
It's probably locked.
Can you go open the door?
Alright, just both of them through.
Yeah.
Tap him up.